In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Teams, you'll be able to confidently set up and schedule a meeting by the end of this video. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser by going to the main Teams website. Once the page has loaded and you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, find and click the option labeled Meet. This is where you can start instant meetings or schedule ones for later, and it's the starting point for hosting any session in Teams. After you click on Meet, a panel will appear with different meeting options. Since we want to plan a meeting in advance, choose the option that says Schedule a Meeting. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new window or panel with a form where you can set up all the details of your meeting. Now, let's fill in those details carefully. At the top, give your meeting a clear descriptive title so attendees immediately understand what it's about. For example, you might write something like Weekly Project Check-in or Client Presentation. Next, select the date and time. Make sure you double check the start and end times, especially if people are joining from different time zones. If this is a recurring meeting, look for the repeat or recurrence option and set it to daily, weekly, or whatever schedule matches your needs. Below the time settings, you'll see a field where you can invite people. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to join. Teams will suggest contacts as you type. Click on each person to add them to the invitation list. Take a moment to ensure everyone who needs to be there is included. There is usually a larger text box for adding a description or agenda. This is a great place to briefly explain the purpose of the meeting, list topics to be discussed, or add any links and resources participants might need ahead of time. Giving context here helps everyone come prepared and makes the meeting run more smoothly. Once you've confirmed the title, date, time, invitees, and description, you're ready to finalize it. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the window, and click Save. This will add the meeting to your team's calendar and send invitations to everyone you selected. And that's it. You've successfully hosted a meeting in Microsoft Teams by scheduling it in advance.